What's going on, everyone? This is Ryan from the sunny Central Valley of California, and today I received a package all the way from Australia from Berley Pro. Apparently inside this package is a new product of Berley Pro's that's going to protect my expensive kayak. So without further ado, let's crack this thing open and see what we got. We got one bottle of Vegemite all the way from Australia, a DVD of One Crocodile Dundee, and I'm not seeing anything else. Oh, wait a minute. And here it is. The Berley Pro Bumper Bro. This is a product that's custom fitted to that particular kayak to protect from bumps, scratches, and abrasions on our rocky shores of California. Normally when I'm doing an install on my kayak, it takes a few people. I'm filming, I need extra hands to hold screws down, to get tools, whatever it needs to be. But in this particular case, looking at this, I don't think I'm gonna need your help. So you can go ahead and take off. I think I got this handled on my own. For this install, the only part you're gonna need is tape and marine adhesive. This Bumper Bro is apparently so easy to install. All you need to do is get your marine adhesive, coat it evenly on the inside, and install. I'm actually just joking. It's not that easy. You actually still have to tape it on. The hardest part about this install is you got to wait 48 hours for this glue to set in place before you can use it. And that's probably the hardest part about this install. Over here on the central coast of California, we do not have the sandiest of beaches. Our sand, when we do have it, is typically very abrasive, lots of rocks and debris. The other part of it is our terrain around our waters in the Pacific Ocean is very, very rocky, and sometimes we have to paddle through that, causing our kayaks to hit nose first. This is going to protect our expensive gear, so I'm super excited to try this Bumper Bro out by Berley Pro.